Hello and welcome to Very Yoga. Today we'll be practicing Sun Salutations for beginners, so these are great if you're just starting off your yoga practice. So when you're ready, grab your mat and let's begin. Let's start standing at the front of your mat with your feet together and give your shoulders a few rolls, up and over. Breathing in, breathing out. With your next inhale, bring up the arms overhead, lengthening through the body. Exhale, forward fold from the hips. Inhale, halfway lift, raising your right leg up and stepping it towards the back. Releasing the knee to the mat, bringing the left leg to meet the right. And we're going to go through Vinyasa flow. Move your weight forward, bring the chest towards the mat, eventually the chin. Your sit bones should be up in the air. Then sort of sliding forward, releasing the toes, raising your chest up, pushing your heart forward, coming into a cobra pose. With an exhale, release the heart down, tucking toes under, coming through the tabletop into downward facing dog. Feel free to bend your knees one at a time here, or bend them both just to lengthen through the spine. You want to press with your hands against the mat. As you breathe, try and find a little length in your spine and in the backs of your legs. Inhale, raise up your right leg and gently bring it forward between your hands, or just make the transition with your knees on the mat. Inhale, halfway lift with the back flat, and then exhale, forward fold. Inhale, bringing the arms up. Exhale, release the hands to your heart. Well done, that was the first round. We're going to do the same on the other side. Inhale, bring your arms up overhead. Exhale, forward fold. Feel free to bend the knees. Inhale, halfway lift with the back flat. And then lifting up the left leg, stepping it all the way to the back. Releasing the left knee to the mat. Moving your right leg back to meet your left, and then hugging the elbows in close to your body and sliding forward. Inhale, raising up to cobra pose. Come up halfway, and when you're ready, all the way, and with an exhale, lower down into a downward facing dog. As before, still warming up those hamstrings, bending one knee at a time or bending both knees. Always listen to your body, whatever feels good, just choose to follow that. When you're ready, inhale, raise up the left leg, and then slowly bringing it all the way to the front in whatever way is comfortable for you. And eventually stepping your right leg to meet your left at the front of the mat, lifting up halfway, and with an exhale, Uttanasana, forward fold. Inhale, coming up with a flat back. Exhale, release them to your heart center. Inhale, arms up overhead. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, stepping the right leg back. If you need to, release the knee. Otherwise, stepping the left leg back to meet right. Release the knees to the mat, chest and chin into Ashtanga Namaskar. Sliding gently forward. Inhale, cobra pose, shoulders away from the ears. Exhale, lower the chest down. Inhale, coming up halfway, all the way. And exhale into downward facing dog. You should begin to feel a little bit warmer and a little bit more comfortable in your body. A little more connected through the breath. Inhale, bring up the right leg. Exhale, step it all the way to the front. Stepping your left leg to meet right at the front of the mat. Exhale, forward fold Uttanasana, and inhale, coming back up to stand in Tadasana. Inhale, bring your arms up overhead. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Step the left leg back. And when you're ready, bringing the right leg back to meet the left. Going for Ashtanga Namaskar, knees, chest, chin. Sliding forward. Cobra pose, shoulders back, chest forward. Exhale, release. Inhale, halfway up, all the way up, and exhale, downward facing dog. Make sure to press with your hands away from the mat. Bending the knees here if you need to. It's better to make sure that your back is nice and flat and the spine is long than trying to lengthen through the legs but rounding the spine. inhale, raise up the left leg, and exhale, step it all the way to the front of the mat, lengthening through the hip flexors, bringing the right leg to meet your left, lengthening up halfway, and then exhale, forward fold. Inhale, raise up your arms, and exhale, release them down into Tadasana. Inhale, bring the arms up overhead once again. Exhale, Uttanasana. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, step to the back of your mat. And then going through Vinyasa. Exhale, Chaturanga Tandasana. Inhale, sliding forward, coming into upward facing dog. You can keep your thighs resting on a mat or let them hovering above the ground. Downward facing dog, a little resting pose in between the more strenuous poses. So try and find a place in your body that you can rest and relax. Release any tension in your eyebrows or temples or the jaw. Inhale, raise up the right leg, and with an exhale bring it all the way to the front. Inhale, stepping the left leg to meet your right, lifting up halfway with a flat back, and exhale into Uttanasana. Inhale, raising up the upper body, and exhale, release the hands at your heart center. And again, inhale, bring your arms up overhead, exhale, Uttanasana. Inhale, halfway lift, exhale, step to the back of your mat, and going through Vinyasa. Core is strong, exhale, Chaturanga Tandasana. Make sure your hands are underneath your shoulders. Inhale, coming into Urdhva Mukha Svanasana, over the toes, and coming into downward facing dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. And find some length in your spine. You may notice if you can come a little bit deeper into the pose, lengthening through the backs of your legs as well as through the spine. Inhale, raise up the left leg, and then step it all the way to the front. And with the next breath, bringing the right leg to meet the left, lifting up halfway with the flat back. Exhale, forward fold. On your next inhale, raise the upper body and your arms up overhead, Tadasana. We are almost there. You're doing great. So inhale, bring the arms up. Exhale, forward fold. When you're ready, stepping the right leg back and eventually stepping the left leg to meet the right and going through Vinyasa. Moving the weight forward, exhale, Chaturanga Tandasana. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana, over the toes, and exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. You want to send your sit bones up and away towards the back of the mat in a slight anterior tilt. Breathing in, breathing out. In this pose, always think length. So with an inhale, raise up the right leg. Exhale, step it to the front, lengthening. Inhale, left leg to meet the right, and then exhale, forward fold. Inhale all the way up. With an exhale, come into Tadasana. One last time. Inhale, arms up overhead. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, this time we're going to jump back just to give it a little try. Chaturanga Tandasana. Upward facing dog. Moving into downward facing dog. If you need to, feel free to rest the knees on a mat. And instead of downward dog, take a little break in the child's pose. For the next breath, inhale, look forward, take a little monumentum. Exhale, jumping to the front of the mat. Inhale, lift, exhale, forward fold, Uttanasana. Inhale, bring your arms up overhead, and exhale into Tadasana. Well done, that was a beautiful class. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you feel better, maybe more relaxed, more energized, and just genuinely feel great for doing something nice for yourself in the last 10 minutes. Let me know what you think in your comments, in your likes, and of course subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks once again, and I hope you join one of my classes soon. Have a wonderful day. Namaste.